Alrighty, so here we are replacing the ELT battery. The ELT is pretty much your lifeline in the event of an emergency or an accident or an incident or something of that sort, right? So ELT stands for Emergency Locator Transmitter, right? There's numerous types. This is old tech here, 121.5, and then this is the new top of the line stuff, which is 406, right? This battery here, as you can see, manufacture date, the date it needs to be replaced, right? Manufacture date, date it needs to be replaced. And then these here as well, you just take regular D style batteries. This here is like I said, the top of the line, brand new, best of the best. This is 406 ELT. The batteries on this one don't get replaced at such a low interval. This one here is due at 2033, right? So this is far better, less maintenance, the way to go if you're replacing ELT. Old tech, new tech. When installing a new ELT, you have to make sure that you program the ELT. It has to have the customer information, the aircraft tail number, so they know who they're looking for in an event of an accident or an incident, right? This one in particular is going to the Netherlands, right? So you have to program the hex code, which is right here, and the hex code is going to be for the Netherlands, right? So when installing the ELT, you got to always register and program the equipment. Always, comply with the maintenance manual, right? When installing the bracket as well, there's a proper means of installing it, right? It has to be pointing in the proper direction. Reason it has to be pointing in the proper direction is because as we test it here, we got a simple handheld radio there marked to 121.5, right? And you're going to test a little micro switch inside of there, right? So we know that that's working properly. And then we could also test it here in the on switch. We know that that's working properly. And then you're going to install this ELT in the aircraft and then test it with the remote button switch on the panel. Those 3 checks have to be done at a proper time, and that is how we test the ELT.